Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. In today's video I have got an awesome website to go ahead and share with you. Now what I like about this website is it pays you really fast, and not only does it pay you really fast, I mean it's the usual stuff that I share on here. It's free to join, it's simple, it's easy, you know, all that sort of stuff. But what I really like about this is there's no minimal withdrawal, and also you're not earning points, you're earning cash, and then you can go ahead and withdraw that to your PayPal account immediately. And if you want, you can go ahead and exchange that for gift vouchers, but you can just go ahead and withdraw to PayPal pretty much straight away. Once you've earned the money, you can withdraw it straight away. There's no minimal withdrawal, so that is pretty cool. Now, before I jump into today's video, if this is the first time you're on the channel, welcome, my name is Mark. This on the screen is one of my blogs. It's called Not Taught at School, and I go ahead and I share videos and I blog about earning online and working from home. So if you're interested in making money and working from home, then go ahead, subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll never miss when I upload a video. And I always try and go and look and find different ways you can earn online which are free to get started with. And unlike many of the videos and people on YouTube, I don't have a number one way to go ahead and make money. What may work for me may not work for you, so I don't have a number one way to make money online. I have several different ways that I earn money online, and I'll share those tips on the channel as well. So let's jump into today's video. So today we're looking at this website here, and it's called Qmee. So search, shop and share your opinion to earn real cash. Now there's a couple of ways you can earn money with this. The one that I like is the search option here, so you get paid for going and searching online like you would normally do, whether that's on Google. It's even integrated with Amazon and a couple of other different sites. So let me just get rid of this, sorry. So let me just scroll down here. So you can see here, you earn cash, so no swag or points, which a lot of these websites do. But scroll down here, look, getting started is simple, just name and a password. Click here, agree to the terms and conditions and sign up, and then you're good to go. Now, they've been featured on all of these different sites here, Forbes, CNN, Huffington Post, etc. Now, there's three different ways you can earn money with this app. So the first one is you can take surveys if you want. Personally, I don't recommend surveys, but I know some people like them, so feel free to go ahead and have a look at that. You've then got this here, earn and save when you shop. So this works in a similar way to all of these cashback sites. Instead of going direct to, say, Amazon or eBay, you would shop via your app. So you'd open up the app, search here who you're looking for, and then just go and do your shopping, but via the app, and then you earn cash back. But this is what I wanted to share with you today. So earn when you search on desktop. So what happens is you go ahead and you get the free Qmee browser extension, and then you add it to your extensions, and then that will appear up here. Now you can go ahead and get this on Chrome. You can go ahead and get this on Chrome and Firefox. Now if I just scroll down here, it just shows you an example of how this looks once you've got the Chrome extension added. So you'd go on Google or Bing or whichever search engine you're going to be using, and then you search for what you're looking for. So in this one here, they've gone for stylish women's jackets. So you go on Google and you type in what you would normally be searching for. Now the way you earn money is very simple. Instead of clicking on the search results here in Google, to the left hand side here, you've got these suggestions from Qmee. Now you click on these and you earn money for doing so. Now the reason why you earn money is all of these different websites on here are paying a fee to Qmee to get these results on here. And then Qmee go ahead and they share their earnings, their affiliate earnings, with you for simply clicking on here. And this is how it works. So you do everything you would normally do. You go on Google, you search whatever you're searching for, and then just simply click on these listings here instead of the main listings in Google. And a lot of the time, the listings on here will be very similar to the ones here over on Google. This is basically companies or websites who are trying to get more exposure to their products and their services. So they're using sites like Qmee to go ahead and do a form of paid advertising. So if you just scroll down here, you've got the usual stuff, you know, social proof. Now this is available. You can go ahead and download the app on Google Play, and you can also download it on App Store. Now the app, if you're downloading this is where you'll be taking part in surveys and questions and doing your cashback. You can simply go ahead and just sign up, create your account, and then go and get the extension for this here. Now let me jump over onto here and just show you this. So Qmee, you can go ahead, it's available to download on the App Store, and it's also available on Google Play. Now again, it's got some more screenshots here. You can earn by sharing your opinion, and you earn instant cash rewards. So here's some different surveys on here. You've then got save, so save money with your cashback and different coupons available. And then this is the spend here, so you can get your cash rewards via PayPal, and again there's no minimal withdrawal cash out, or you can also go ahead and choose gift card. So if we just come back up here to the top, click on here, I'm just over on the Google Play Store. You can see it's currently had 3,000 downloads. It's got a current rating of, what's that, 4.1, about 4.1, 4.2. Scroll down here, so they're also on Trustpilot, and they've got some good reviews on Trustpilot. And then again, if we just scroll down here, we'll show you some of the recent feedback. So this here is someone having problems signing up in the US, and then they've responded the same day straight away with a support email. So they're active on here as well, so they're actually looking at their reviews over on here. And then we've got some other people on here, so this person here on the 30th, so this was a couple of days ago. We've then got another one here, and then we've also got another one here. And look, you can go through and read all of these reviews if you want, but that is pretty much today's video. It's called Qmee. It's really simple, it's quick, it's easy, and it's free. But like I said, instant, you're going to earn instant money from doing this. It is a, what is it? It's had over 3,000 downloads on Google Play. It's also available on the iPhone, on the App Store, so it's on many different platforms. It's got great I can't even speak. It's got great reviews over on Trustpilot, and if you go into the App Store and the Google Play, you can see all of the different reviews on there. But this is just another simple way you can start earning some extra money online. Now, personally, I wouldn't bother with downloading the surveys and also the cashback shopping. For me, if I was going to go ahead and use this, I would just simply install the browser up here and then just use that whenever I am on the internet and searching, because I'm doing that anyway. I might as well go ahead and get paid for doing so. So I will drop links to every single thing I've mentioned in this video below for you. That's enough for today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and very quickly again, just make sure if you're interested in getting more videos like this, simple ways to earn money online and work from home, just go subscribe to the channel, and I'll also drop a link over to my blog here, and you can go through, click on this tab. There's hundreds and hundreds of different articles on here about simple ways you can earn money and work from home. So thank you very much for watching today's video. I shall see you tomorrow.